today we are going to see how MySQL is working. So yesterday we have downloaded the MySQL, right? So we'll go and see how the MySQL is working in our laptops. So these and all we have installed yesterday. So this is MySQL command line. So we use this one actually. So it is asking you password whenever you enter this. So yesterday you have complete this, I guess. So this is. So after enter your password, it is open like this. Okay. It is appearing like this. So if you want to clear this, all this, use system CLS command and ends with semicolon. See, this is all clear. Okay. System CLS. The first command. Okay. Next, let me open my laptop. Sorry, not bad. So let me first command. This is we using system CLS. So what is the purpose of this? To clear your screen. Okay. Is to clear your screen. Okay. System CLS command. Okay. And see. So now you are entered to the MySQL. So if you want to check your databases, so how to check databases? There is a command show databases. Databases. And so these databases are defaultly coming. So okay. In this command line prompt, every command is statement should ends with semicolon. Okay. If you do not give the semicolon, what will happen? It is not giving like this. It will give like this. It will keep like this. So if you enter semicolon, it will come like this. So these are the different databases we have in the MySQL. Okay. So information schema. Schema is nothing but database. MySQL and performance schema SYS. Okay. These are default databases we have. Okay. Okay. These are the sample databases we have. Okay. Next. See, if you want to use any of these databases, we need to use a command called use database. That name. Okay. Use SYS. I am using this SYS. Okay. See, if you want to enter to the database, so use SYS. So within this database, we have some tables, right? So how to check the tables? By using show tables. Show tables. See, these many tables are there. These tables are sample tables already there in our SYS. Okay, clear? Okay. See, if you want to create if you want to create a table, first you have to create a database. Suppose, let me create a database. Okay. So as of now, we are not going to create any database, right? These are all databases are default databases we have. So how to create databases? System CLS clear. So first, so So create command. Create command. We discussed it the previous class, right? So it is a DDL command, right? Create database. So database name. Database name. Create database name. Okay. This is the command we have to use. So first we'll check the databases. Databases. Okay. So these are the databases we have. So now create database. Let me give some sample. Okay, sample database. See, show the message query. Query okay. One row affected. Now again you can check it. Databases. See, earlier we don't have any sample. Now we have a sample. Right? Great. Next. So how to enter the database? Use sample. Right? So we created the database. So now I want to create table. So I want to create a table. So first, whenever you want to create a table, you need a database, right? That's why I'm using to use sample. So now I have to change to coming into this database. So I am entering into this database. Okay, use sample. So I am entering to my sample database. Database changed. Okay. Now how to create table? So this is very simple. Same. So which table you are going to create? So let me create. So create So we just database, right? Database a sample we created, right? This is the command. So command. This is command. So ends with semicolon. This is what create a database. Okay. Then creating table, right? So if you want to show tables, we have any tables here? No, right? Show table. Okay. Show table. Show tables. Show tables. Empty set. We get empty set. How to check tables? Show tables. Show tables. There is a command to see after entering your database. Now create a table. How to create table? Create table. Table name. Table name here. Next, column 1 and data type. Next, separated with comma, and column 2 data type and separated with comma, and column 3 data type, and that's it. We'll have this. That's it. Click on. This is the syntax of creating any table. So I will show you how to create a student table. Okay. Student, and columns should be student ID and stu name and stu gender and stu GPA and stu age. So separated with GPA, separated with age and student branch. So branch. Okay. 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 So now this is how student table columns are there. We have student ID, student name, student gender, student GPA, student age, student branch. Now, how to create? So, create table student of with this of student ID. So it is integer, right? Data type. So integer and student name varchar. So let me give length is 20 and student gender char 1 and stu GPA. This is float and stu age int and stu branch. So where 10. Okay, where 10. So create a table student integer. Okay, this should be going there. Okay, let me remove here. Ends with semicolon. So this is the final syntax to create a table. So, okay, create a table, your table name and with columns mentioned and names along with database. So let me take this. So the query is okay, 0 rows affected. So, okay. Okay. Now, if you want to check your table, okay, use a command called DSE. DSE, the table name, student. You want to check. So, okay, DESE means description of your table. The DSE is nothing but description of your table. Okay. So what is the description here? What are the column names and what are the relevant type of nulls and all? These are the constraints actually. Okay, create a table without giving any constraints. Constraints topic we will see in further classes. Okay. So this is how create a table. Now we successfully create a table. Okay. Okay. So this is how. So for checking your table information using this command DSA. DSA. Next. So next we have created the table, right? Okay, sucks. Then what we have to do? Then so after creation of table, what we have to do? We need to insert a data, right? Yes or no? After creating our table, we need to insert a data. That's why we need to create a table and a data base. So then how to insert a data? And also we can create one more table. So as of now, how many tables in our, let me show tables, right? So student table only. Okay. Now let me create one more table. Then we can go and insert the data. So this time we can create one more table with the employee table. So how to create employee table? Same. So EMP ID is there, and EMP name, and EMP salary, and EMP joining date, joining join date. So join date you can call, no issues. So now how to create table EMP. So within this we have a EMP ID data type int separated comma EMP name. So varchar and 20 I am giving separated by comma EMP salary and separated by, sorry, the data type float this time, and EMP joining join date. Okay, this is date. Okay, so into okay varchar, and now let me check this. Create a table EMP. Okay, query is okay. Okay, let me check how many tables as of now we have. So show tables. So EMP table and the student table we have now. After once after creating a table, you want to enter the data inside the table. So how to do that? Simple. Let me go back to my notepad. So insert. This is DML command. DML command. Okay. I want to insert a data into table. So there is a command insert into table name, table name and values. So column name and value. Same column 2 and value, and same column 3 and value. Like this we have to go. Okay. Okay. Let me insert one record into a student table. So how to insert? Simple. Insert into student. So student only, right? Our table name student and values. Then, so what is the first column we have? So ID 101. I am taking as ID is 101, and name. Next column is name. Within the single quote, I am giving some name. So what is the third column? Gender. See, if you mention any column database, varchar or date, you need to provide values within single quotes. Okay. So student name, I am giving varchar. So that's why I am giving single quotes. Within single quotes, providing value. Gender. So within the single quote only. Next column GPA. So I am taking a float value. So age I am taking integer. And last one, branch, CSC. So how many values are there? So 6 values I enter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Great. Okay. So let me enter this. So insert. See, query okay. One row is affected. So one row is affected. Okay. Insert into a table name. So we'll see. Show table. So two tables are there. So how to check this value is inserted or not? See, if you want to check the information of table, we just want to give the DESC But if you want to check the data, we can use select command. So what is the select command will do? Select star from which table we entered? Student, right? The student. See, the data will select star from student. So this is the data we entered, right? So like this we are getting select star from student. So if you want to get only two rows in particular this table, so how to get it? Simple. Select this time student stu id and separated comma and stu name. Those columns name you should mention from where? Student, right? Student only. Student. Then enter. See, I got only these two columns. I specified here, select within the select statement, I specified this. Select student ID column and student name column only I need to get it. So then I want to get only these two. If you want other things also, you can get it. Same, select. Instead of star, you can use this. So student, so GPA, I want GPA and I want a student branch. From ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టూడెంట్ టేబుల్ నుంచి. So now this. Okay. Okay. This select command is TML command, right? Okay. Okay. So this is how we can create database, create table, and after creation of table, we can insert the data into a table. Okay, like this we can do it in operations in MySQL. Okay, by using our queries. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.